Alright guys, we are in the SAM. Let's go. So I'm going to push the button here. Button here. Or drive. Wow, 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 wow. Alright, there we go. There we go, there we go. There we go. Guys, we're in the SAM. What the hell? We're in the SAM, ladies and gentlemen. We're driving in the SAM in Poland. Alright, it's clear. Feel cool. Yeah, it feels good. I know it's a little loud in here, but I think it's cool. Play some tunes. We got some music going here for a second. Get the wipers working. Wipers is here. Woohoo! Alright. I think this is where we're gonna make our U-turn over here. See if there's no vehicles behind us. Alright. We're gonna go right into here. Alright. Make a U-turn. Alright, reverse. Easy enough. Yeah, see? Oh, the camera went on. You can see the camera right there. And then we'll hit drive. And back we go on the road. Alright, let's get some music going. Music going. We can bring it on the road. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about it, dance alone. You can boogie all night long. Stolen paradise. Shouldn't talk about it, no. We can bring it on. It feels very, it feels good. Steering feels good. Yeah. Very responsive. I have a car behind me. See how easy it is to turn? It's easy to steer, man. I mean, for real. It's pretty damn easy. It's pretty damn easy to drive. Well, that's it, man. It's awesome, right?
in a tricycle
Yeah.
to go
Yeah,
over
that's
90,
Yeah.
it's kind of experience.
Yeah.
It's kind of an experience.
Yeah.
And so, but we know that it can go 102.
Yeah. He done it.
He does.
Yeah, feels
Yeah.
great.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. Feels good.
So we're here with Jason, and he's gonna walk us through his drive here with the Sam. So, Jace, what'd you think?
Well, one thing, it was raining, so it's kind of hard to gauge how the Sam was driving, but overall it was good. It wasn't wobbly or anything at that speed. Wasn't going that fast. Probably around 40 or so miles per hour.
Yeah, when I see you're changing stuff there, were you changing the modes?
Yeah, so there are the different modes there. So I was trying the sport. So I tried with that and just see if the acceleration was different. And
Was it different?
since I was going already at speed when I was playing with it, I didn't feel too much of a difference. I'm sure if from standstill I'd feel a difference. When I turned here, I did change it back to, or I changed it, I think, to snow mode, and see how that felt.
What's the difference with the snow mode?
I think what it is just the acceleration isn't as fast, so it won't spin your tires or anything.
I think
like that.
also, didn't they also say that Christoph said that it shuts off the track? The regen.
The regen, yeah, yeah, I think it goes a little. It's not as bad on, or not bad, but just the regen isn't as pronounced.
Yeah.
And coming up here, I went down to like a dirt road, so it was kind of bumpy going through it. Then when I was gonna turn here, it was full on mud, so I'm like, no, I better not go that way, since I only have one wheel traction.
Yeah,
So I
get
did turn
stuck.
around. Plus, not knowing where I'm at, so I was kind of like, let me just go back the way I came in.
Yeah.
And I noticed that the rear thing came out, but I didn't see it till watching the video.
That's right. I wonder if that's going to be an issue with people because it'd be like too late. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
It's got to be something where it's like more automatic or instantaneous.
instantaneous. Well, the motor is coming out, so
Yeah.
that's going to be a different thing. So unless we can redesign
Yeah.
and have the LCD already up.
How did the suspension feel to you then?
Suspension was pretty good. Going through those bumps was a little stiff, but you would figure it'd be stiff anyways, just because you only got two in the front and one not so much in the back. So I don't think you'd want it to be going off-road anyways in this car. So you want it to be a little stiffer ride for the road handling. You don't want it to be too stiff on when you're going out dirt.
Yeah. What'd you think of that side window thing? Does that help out a lot or?
The side, it was nice to have some fresh air coming in, but
Do you remember if there's a lot of air coming in from there?
it wasn't too bad. It would just, you get the little fresh air coming in. I didn't play with the actual the AC unit, so I didn't crank it or anything. So it was just nice to have that up.
So overall, man, what do you think?
Overall, it was fun to drive. I wish we had more time to actually drive it longer distance.
Oh, we will.
All of that, but for the first impression of going around the block per se, kind of like a test drive, it was pretty good.
Yeah, me too. I had fun. We just been watching the videos, and it's actually cool to actually get on it. So I think I had a great time.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be bringing it to you guys, man. So make sure you like and share our website because Sam is coming, and Jason and I were part of the team. So if there's any questions, you guys can hit up Jason on jason.cabrera at samofusa.com. Same thing for me, joe.cabrera at samofusa.com. All right, guys. Talk to you later.
Peace out.